Satnam Yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today I have a kriya that will heal every cell of our body. It will give this beautiful, healing, powerful prana that will energize you and bring you into higher vibration. So let's tune in with our mantras, hands to prayer mudra. Breathe in to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Deep inhale, hold that breath in as you invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And exhale. We are going to rotate the hands up and down, and we breathe. When the hand goes up, we breathe in, and when the hand comes down, we breathe out. And this is generating a lot of heat in the body. And we're warming up the body. This is awakening for the body. Every cell will be awakened, and we're warming up the energetic body as well as we're starting to move from the lower tailbone of the body, and energy starts to move upwards here. Breathe in, squeeze your mubang, and breathe out. Very good. Now we're gonna straight move into spinal plexus here, one of the most effective ways to warm up our spine. And deep breaths here, and go as far into the stretch as is comfortable for you today. Breathe in and out, hands down to Jyan Mudra. Very good. Now we're opening up our Vishuddha chakra, our throat chakra. We are massaging with the left hand. We're massaging our thyroids. This is very good for our thyroid and parathyroid health here. And with the right arm, we are gently moving it up and down, which is a very balancing movement here. And the Vishuddha chakra is also in the yogic philosophies is known to be the most important chakra, just because it is correlating with our vitality and with the youthfulness as well. So we're activating, we're balancing this chakra here. And just deep breaths here. Give this a vigorous massage. And you will feel this beautiful healing, this prana that has been moving around your body. You will feel the benefit of this. Breathe in and breathe out, hands down to Jyan Mudra. Very good. Next we're gonna put our hands to the heart, and this is very good for our Anahata heart chakra opening practice here. And we're moving with our torso to the front and back up. This is very powerful for our Anahata, our heart chakra opening practice. And when we move to the front, breathe in. When we come back up, we breathe out. This is us surrendering to our ego mind and just surrendering and opening the heart space. We're opening ourselves to compassion, love, kindness, and especially self-love here. Make this a very rhythmic movement. And out, hands down to Jyan Mudra, and witness the presence now. Very good. Moving on, we are interlacing our hands over our head, and we're just closing our eyes and pulling them to the third eye here, and just allowing this prana that we have generated, allowing it to come to higher chakras here, all the way to our auric field and all the way through the Vishuddha, through the Ajna, to the third eye, to the top of the head, the crown chakra, and holding that light, holding that healed energy in our body. Make sure that your spine is very long and straight, and energy moves freely with deep breaths. Taking us higher and higher, raising the vibration of each cell of our body. Very good. Hands down to Jyan Mudra. We're gonna lie down. Place your legs under you and lift your hips. Now hold that posture here. Very good. And now we're gonna go into the candle pose. This is a powerful movement to open up the throat chakra once more. But overall, in energy body, the energy starts to move from the feet to the top of the head. And for the body, for the physical body, we're strengthening our immunity, and every organ of the body is benefited from this movement here. Deep breaths here. Eyes are rolled up to the third eye. And now let your legs fold over your head. And deep breaths once more. If you want to take it further, then you can do a breath of fire here. This is powerful for our third eye opening, the Ajna chakra opening. Everything to do with our inner knowing and intuition. And bring your feet back up and make the soles of the feet touch each other. And just stay in that pose, very balancing, grounding, calming. Deep breaths. And now you can lie down for a Savasana. And just lay here and fully relax your body. I am peace. I am love. I am a powerful soul. I am calm and stable always. Everything in my life is easy. I am a pure being. My mind is pure. My body is pure. My heart is pure. I am safe. I am perfect healthy. I am calm and stable always. My body is in perfect health. Each cell of my body is happy and healthy. All is well with me. Very good. And now, if you want, start to slowly stretch yourself. And come back up to easy pose. And we're gonna tune out Sat Nam, truth is my name. Sat Nam. So much for tuning in with me. Lots of love. Bye.